Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Nexus 5X game in your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. First you have to open up your any browser and here in the Google search box just type the Nexus 5X and just hit the enter. And now the Steam website will come up which says the Nexus 5X on Steam. Just click on that game to open it. And now here you need to just click on the login option you are seeing on the top. So once you click on that, here you need to just sign into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, then just scroll down and click on the create an account. So once you click on that, here you need to just simply create your account, and after that just click on the install Steam option. So once you click on that, now you have to just install the setup of Steam. Click on the install Steam for Windows, then it will downloading the setup. So now you can just click on the setup which is of 2.3 MB, and now here you need to just click on the next to install it into your PC, and then here you have to just select your language. Click on the next. Here you have to just select your location where you want to install it, and then simply hit the install. So I have already installed, so I'm just simply opening it, and here click on the search box you are seeing on the top and just type here the Nexus 5X, and now hit the enter, and now the first game will come up which says the Nexus 5X. So you can just click on that game to open up, and now here you can just download this game into your PC. So now just scroll down and click on the add to cart option you are seeing. So once you click on that, you will see the option to view my cart. You have to just click on that, and once you click on that, just click on the continue to payment, and now here you have to just pay with your PayPal or any card, and then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. So guys, this is how you can download and install the Nexus 5X game into your PC or laptop. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it and also do subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.